Do you want to easily upgrade the halos on your BMW F Series to the brand new yellow style? It's really easy to do, and I'm going to show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project a little before we jump in, because it's going to be really easy and a quick upgrade you can make to your car. Now, if you've seen, for example, the new G82 CSL that has the yellow halos, or the F90 M5 CS that has those yellow halos, and this is something you wanted to do, this is an easy upgrade. All we need to do is replace the circuit boards that actually are driving the LEDs to the halos themselves, to these new yellow LEDs from Shimano. Now I'm going to show you how to do this install. It's really simple. It's only going to take a few simple tools. And don't forget, everything you need will be linked in the video description below. So that's the link to these LEDs, any tools you need, and all the rest. All right, so we're going to be using my BMW M2C today as the example, but these instructions are going to be essentially the same on almost all of the F Series. Now, my one caution is make sure you get the right boards for your car. So when you check out with Shimano, make sure you order the right ones for the right model of car. These fit the 2 Series and the M2s in the F Series, right? All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to show you how you can get this done. All right, so if you had a chance to see my G80 guide on this, I installed these yellow halos recently into a G82 that looked absolutely fantastic. Now the good news is about the 2 Series and the M2 is that it's even easier. We don't have to take the wheel off. Everything you need is beneath this cover, this radiator right here. Now, as you can tell, I've got different bolts on my particular car. If you haven't seen that DIY, make sure to check it out. These are normally 3 T20 screws. So in my case, they're a 5mm Allen because I've replaced them with these dress-up bolts. But you're going to want to take all 3 of these bolts out and then very gently lift this cover. And I'll show you what it looks like because the circuit boards are plugged underneath. All right, so once you have those bolts out, you just gently lift up. And you should be able to see here, you've got 2 pinch release cables. You've got a plug that goes to both circuit boards, okay? So you're just gonna wanna pinch the plugs on both sides to release that clip. There you can see one is loose on one side, and you'll just do the same on the other to just pinch and release, and it should come right off. Okay, so what you wanna do is take both of these off, and then we're gonna walk this over to our bench to get these circuit boards off to get the new ones on.